Hello everyone. Black Friday used to be the day after Thanksgiving, and you have to camp outside Best Buy in order to get the best deal. But with online shopping become more and more popular, so the traditional retail stores start pushing Black Friday earlier and earlier. So 2 weeks before Black Friday this year, 2019, so Best Buy already doing the Black Friday sale, get it today now. So one of the deal is this 5TB Western Digital portable hard drive. Original price is about $170, and with a $80 discount, now it's only $90. So this is one of the best deal this year, and you can't even get this price on Amazon. That's the reason I bought it. So today I'm gonna do a unboxing of it. So let's see, let me open it. Oh, here you go. Let me throw the box away. So you have the 5TB Western Digital Easy Store portable hard drive. It's actually smaller than I thought, because this is almost like the 1TB one that I got many years ago. So I'm happy with the size and also the weight. So there you have it. And then you also have the USB drive and also the menu. And as you can see over here, so originally it's $170 and now it's only $90. So there you have it. Thank you.